Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another video where I'm doing my makeup before I go to work and then finishing the costume after I get off work. So fingers crossed this goes well. So today I am doing a Daphne look from Scooby-Doo. I feel like this is one of those redhead characters that I've been meaning to do for like years but just never have, and it's such a simple look. So we're just gonna dive right in so that, again, I'm not late for work. So Daphne is yet another cartoon character. I think basically all I'm going for with this look is just like a natural base and a cat eye and then a pink lip. So because my skin is pretty good right now, like I'm not really having too many blemishes here or there, I'm just going to cover those like couple little spots and then like any discoloration. So under my eyes, little like pinky areas on my cheeks, that sort of thing, with the NYX Bear With Me concealer. And then under my eyes, because I feel like this doesn't always cover the dark circles, I'm going to just layer just a couple little dots of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's getting down to it, guys. It is October 5th, which is actually mine and Preston's wedding anniversary. Been married for 3 years today. It's weird how time flies. My hope for all of these looks was to get them done in September. I did, I think, 2 of them in September, so I'm kind of panicking a little bit, even though this is my thing. Like, this is my hobby, my fun thing, you know? I put pressure on myself to do it, and I want to do it. I want to do all of the looks. I'm going to be sad if I can't do all the looks, so I'm trying to split it up on my days and just go to work with some of this makeup, if possible. Also, fair warning, I don't know what purple tops I have. Some of these looks I'm fully prepared for, and then other ones I'm just winging it. So just so you know, I'm not sitting here like purchasing 8 million products to make it so spot on. This is fully a channel for people who, you know, might just have a couple things in their closet that could potentially work. I also, I think I have her headband situation, but I don't know if I have the green scarf. I have a couple pieces of fabric that I'm gonna play with and see what I can do. If not, I did order tissue paper, and hear me out, I have an idea. So I think I could make it work. I think I could make it work. We're doing this. We're DIYing this whole thing. So this past weekend I had a 3-day, and so me and Preston decided for like our early wedding anniversary sort of thing, we would go to Busch Gardens, and it was so fun. And let me tell you what, with this stupid hurricane that's been blasting through ruining everyone's lives, I was really afraid. I was afraid that it was going to completely ruin our time because we had purchased all the tickets, the hotel room, all that type of stuff like way in advance before we even knew the hurricane was going to be a thing. So that was a little stressful. But we went down there Friday night, drove like late at night, and that was terrifying because it rained for like a solid 4 hours. But then on the day that we actually went to Busch Gardens, the rain held off for like the majority of the day, so we were able to do like basically everything that we wanted to do when it wasn't raining. And then when it did start raining, it was just kind of like not misting, but it was like just sprinkles. It wasn't too bad. It was enough to cool you off. But the best part is that I think everybody was planning on it to be closed. So it was amazing because nobody was flipping there. Nobody was there. We did not have to wait in a single line. The first ride that we rode on, we were the only ones on the entire ride. It was the best. It was the best. It was absolutely the best. The only thing that we had to wait in line for was like food, and that was it. And it really was like 2 people. All right, and then like I said, I'm just taking the Too Faced concealer. I'm gonna dab just like a little bit like right in here, just where it's kind of darker. And then I think I'm also gonna dab it just over this little blemish because I am frustrated by him. Okay, so now I'm setting everything. I got this actually over the weekend. I'm gonna set everything just using the Beauty Bakerie Flower setting powder, which I think is adorable. I've been wanting to try this brand for so long just because of like the theme. Like I love just the fact that it's bakery themed. It's so cute. And this is just the oat or translucent one. And I'm just using a little sponge picking some of that up, and then just like over like this little guy right here, I'm just tapping it kind of heavy so that it sets it. And then same thing with under my eyes, and then the rest of my face I'm just gonna like brush it on with a brush. I'm mainly doing this much under my eyes, I'm not gonna lie to you, because of the TikTok. I just want like another step to be able to have on camera. So I don't do this every single day. I don't know, lately I've been really wanting like a brighter under eye area. So this has just been working. Oh, and also I've been trying to mention this in each video, in case somebody missed it in one of the last ones, which how dare you, go watch the other videos. If you see me using like a specific brush that you want to know like the name of, just comment down below or message me, whatever, and I'll try to figure it out for you. But I'm not like listing out my brush types anymore underneath my videos, just because it's so much of a hassle figuring out what everything is, because all of the names have rubbed off. But if you have like one specific one that you're like, oh, I really want to know what that is, I'll figure it out for you for sure. I always have the products that I'm using listed down below, so that if you want to try something, you don't have to go back and rewatch the whole video to figure out what it is. Also, after you're done watching this, head over to my TikTok and my Instagram to see more content on this look, because I'm trying real hard to get it all in before I go to work. So, you know, don't let it be for nothing, please. Alright, and I really wish that I had a different contour palette. I really just want to play with a different one, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia contour kit in light to medium. All I have other than this are just like super warm toned things and like bronzers and stuff, and my skin tone right now is just not there for that type of color tone. I need like the grayer undertones because I'm super pale. Just doing all of my usual contour spots, so around the sides of my forehead, obviously my cheekbones, along the sides of my nose, all that good stuff. Okay, and then as far as blush goes, I'm just going to use this Morphe 8C palette. And I'm going to use, sorry, it's like super messy. I'm going to use like a combination of this one right here and this one right here. Alright, and then for highlighter, because I'm trying to switch it up because I feel like I always use the Amrezy highlighter. So today I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Batman highlighter. I feel like I go between these two. These two are the acceptable ones that I use. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and then I'll be right back to do the wing. Okay, so brows are all done, and because I know that if I do a wing right now, I will be late for work, I'm gonna finish this makeup look later. Currently, just to make it to work, I'm gonna toss on some mascara and lashes, but whenever I come back, which will be literally in 2 seconds for you, but it's gonna be a whole day for me, I will finish the eyeliner, lip, and lashes. And then obviously after that, I'll do hair and all of that fun stuff. So, but this is where we're at. I'm gonna go to work. See you in half a second. You guys have no idea. You have no idea. So obviously this is kind of where we left off with the face, and then I went and worked, and now I'm home to finish the look. Immediately after stopping the camera, I did a part of my TikTok, so make sure to go watch that, and hit my coffee. And I spilled it all over myself and my makeup table. So that was fun. That was so fun, especially because I was already running behind going to work. So like, it was so fun having to clean up so much coffee. Let's get back to it. Also, I changed this, obviously, is what I wore to work. Beetlejuice. Anywho, so now basically all that I have to do for this look is the cat eye. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then do like a pinky lip. And for the cat eye, I'm actually gonna use, it's not even a black eyeliner, but I really like the color of this one. It's one of Halsey's, it's from the AF94, like her drugstore brand that she just recently released. It's the Backline liquid eyeliner in the shade Shipwrecked. It's almost like a deep red brown color. I don't know, I just really like it. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do like a cat eye, yeah, and then we'll move on. My brain's everywhere, I'm sorry, it's been a day. I don't know if I can do this on camera. I may have to do it off, but I don't know. We're just gonna attempt it. I just went for it. I didn't even try. I just went. Is that how those people on TikTok do it so swiftly? They just don't even think about it. They just go and make it happen. Oh, also, I don't remember if I said which mascara I did this morning, but I just popped some mascara on the top lashes before going to work, and I used the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. They're a little wonky, but that's fine. That's fine. It'll do. Okay, now I'm gonna take my hair down out of this claw clip and put my other t-shirt back on so that I can do the last little bit of my TikTok. And then we'll finish this look. It's been such a chaotic day in my mind. I'll be back. Okay, so liner is all done. I'm just going to pop on some lashes really quick. And I'm gonna do those LA Color freaking Queen of the Night lashes. These ones that are just my least favorite lashes of all time, but it's because they swoop out, and I think that they're gonna go really well with the cat eye, even though they're horribly uncomfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those on really quick, and then I will come back to do the lip. All right, so lashes are on, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the middle of this one, questionable. I pulled the glue a little bit too hard, and then all of the lashes started coming off, and then I quickly put glue on it to hold them together because I don't have any more lashes that look like this. So yeah, I can't really touch the center of these, otherwise they're all just gonna fall apart. So that's fun. It's fun. Everything's fine. So now just the last thing that I have to do as far as the makeup is just lips. So I'm just gonna do some Blistex first because my lips are super chapped right now. And then I actually am gravitating towards this little lip gloss. I'm not even gonna do like a lipstick or a lip liner. This is one of the Rimmel Stay Glossy lip glosses, and it is in the shade Flower Power. She just has like a pinky lip, you know? So I don't know, I'm just gravitating towards this one specifically. Never mind, it's not as pink as I wanted it to be. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna take this lip gloss from Juicy Couture. It is in the shade Not Your Babe. And it's super bright, and it also has gold on the side. I don't know if the gold's gonna come off, but the pink is pretty nice, so I'm gonna try that. We're gonna see what happens. Ooh, hate that glitter. Hate that. Okay, so all I did is I just kind of took this and I just kind of like patted it on my lips. I didn't like wipe it. And then after I put like most of that on, I just kind of like dabbed it just to kind of like blot around the edges because I didn't really want like a harsh line around the edge. I'm not gonna lie to you though, the gold glitter on the edges of this looked cool, but it feels like they just took straight up craft glitter and stuck them to the side of a lip gloss. So I am, however, going to take that same gloss and put it over top of that though. All right, and then final step, I'm just going to set everything with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. All right, guys, so this is it for the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair and get my top on. I don't have like a full outfit, like a full dress or anything, so I'm just gonna do like a purple top. But yeah, I'll be right back and I'll be Daphne. How'd I do? I know I do that in every video, but it's like a tradition now. I have to like, you know. Let me tell you what, I don't know if you can tell, this is tissue paper. First of all, this dress is the only purple item that I swear I own. I think I have a sweater somewhere, don't know where it is. I think it's in like a box under my bed. Don't feel like rifling through everything to find it, but thanks Ricky, one of my best friends, because this was my maid of honor dress at her wedding. So this worked out good. And then, like I said, I had a couple pieces of fabric from my mom that were potentials, but I just, the patterns on them, I couldn't get them to work. This was the only option that I had. So it's horribly uncomfortable as of right now. I'm sure you could probably make it more comfortable by making this thinner. Or I don't know, maybe just get a scarf. That'd probably be a better option. I thought I had a green scarf at one point, didn't. So yeah, I didn't realize I would be doing some origami with this look, but I did, and it worked. And then as far as my hair goes, like most of it is still the same as it was before. I just took like a round like curling brush to just this front part to kind of make it stand up and out a little bit more, and then just made like a further side part. And then this is just a ribbon that thank God my mom had in a drawer somewhere. So how did I do? Like I said at the beginning, Daphne is like one of those costumes that I've been meaning to do for a hot minute, because as somebody who has naturally red hair, obviously you're always like searching, okay, redhead costumes, like who can I be? You know, all these different things. So this has been on my list of characters to do for a hot minute, but it just wasn't like top priority. So she made it onto the list this year. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching this. It's been a day. It's been a day. So hopefully once this all comes together, you guys like it. Fingers crossed. Also, after you are done here, obviously make sure to hit that like button down below, subscribe, comment nice things, all of that fun stuff. But also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for more content. Please, for the love of God, if you don't go to look at any other video that I have ever made on TikTok, please go to my TikTok to watch this video. One, I'm kind of proud of it. But two, I spilled my coffee for it. I spilled my coffee everywhere. Well, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you have a great day, a great night, whatever time of day it is when you are watching this, and I will see you in the next spooky Halloween video. Bye.